Sa email natin, may nagtanong tungkol sa simulation of birth. Ito yung practice sa ating probinsya na nire-register yung mga foundling or yung mga anak na nabuntis in the name of the parents of the woman, no? Kumbaga ang lumalabas na registration ay yung lolo at yung lola ang parents ng isang napanganak. Under Article 347 ng Revised Penal Code, bawal, it's a crime to simulate yung mga birth ng bata. At ang penalty dito is 6 years and 1 day to 8 years in prison, as well as a fine of 50,000 pesos. Kasi parang falsification, no? Falsification of birth certificates with intent to simulate birth, yung krimen na ito. However, meron tayong Republic Act 11222, parang amnesty. Lahat ng gumawa nito, pwedeng i-correct, no? Ito yung Simulated Birth Rectification Act. And it allows the correction of simulated births of children where the best interest of the child is a major consideration. Yung tanong ng ating email sender was, namatay na yung parents na nag-simulate ng birth niya. And when she presented yung birth certificate niya sa US Embassy for visa processing, dininay ng US Embassy yung birth certificate, apparently because of an investigation. And now he was told to rectify, ilagay yung totoong pangalan ng mga parents sa kanyang birth certificate. And ito yung sinasabi natin, under Republic Act 11222, you only have 10 years, no, from 2019 para ma-correct itong simulated birth. And after that, balik sa penalties ang mga gumagawa ng simulation of birth. And of course, now that the parents who simulated yung birth certificate are already deceased, siguro ang natural consequence niyan pangalanan na yung mother na saan siya nanggaling actually. And there is really no need to name the father because this is allowed under the family code na pwede namang unmarried yung babae to give birth. And thereafter, to correct again yung simulation of birth, pag na-correct na yan, i-adapt ngayon ng whoever is petitioning yung tao to go to the United States, i-adapt na lang siya in order to correct yung kanyang simulated birth certificate.